Hello, my friends. This is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. We are going to be using the same colors in my last bloom, but we're doing a swipe. I haven't done a swipe for a while. We have this beautiful custom kind of orangey rose, but mostly pink. We have our Liquitex fluorescent blue. We have golden phthalo turquoise. We have Liquitex prism violet. Beautiful colors. We'll be using, I think I'm going to use a black oxide cell activator today. I just made some up. My last bloom had the Prussian blue, but I'm going to use black oxide. I have my pillow paint down. I'm going to start over here since it's going to get pushed over there. Let me see where this is my swipe tool I'll be using. I like this size. So, okay. Pretty. All right, and our Liquitex fluorescent blue. Our golden phthalo. Oop. And our prism violet. All right, we'll see how this comes out. I'm gonna put my black. Let me pop the bubbles. I'm gonna let it I don't want it running over onto the canvas, so I have to do it maybe off of where you can't see it, but. Okay, here we go. Nice and slow. All right. Pretty colors. Well, I do seem to say that a lot. Well, I like color. And I like the black and white also. Just gonna let it set up a little bit. Though with Australian Floetrol, it gets its cells quite fast. And I'll use my skewer to do a little fiddling, as I like to call it. Oh, those colors right there are really pretty. Okay. That's really pretty. I haven't done a swipe in a long time. I like swipes. This here is so pretty, but this will probably be taken off. That's really unique right there. And my favorite part is this right here. Okay, let me see if any bubbles are gonna pop up. One did here. Okay. Now, here's another one. I don't think I'll do any more modifications. I'll just spin it out. Oh, wow. That was a big one that popped. Okay, got it. Anything else gonna come? I don't think so. Let me scoot this over a little. Scoot the camera over. All right, here we go. Let's see, is it on my canvas correctly? I think so. Oh, that beauty is coming off. I need a bigger canvas. Look at that. That's really pretty. I don't want to lose any more. No, I don't. I love to see that color come up. And I think I'm going to do another one on a bigger canvas and try not to cover that color up so much. I can see it glowing kind of from underneath. Okay, my friends, that was a quickie, but it's beautiful. And I'm going to get you down for a close-up, and I will try this again. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.